Okay, I particularly like this opening. The sound is good, building tension. However, this shot opening is blurry. This shot is good. I see the victim and I see the knife. This effect is great. It looks real, blood is realistic, and the sound is good too. This shot is good, but lighting is too bright behind the actor. This fan is good, but this sequence seems too long. This quick cut is great. This cut is good too. Sound, breathing too. This shot is good too, and the glow of the knife in his hand. The cut was just at the right time. The climax is effective. This opening piano is good. Great ending. Great ending. Very good. Very, very, very good. I'm really proud of you, Alexander, and your friends who made this film.